In this video, we're going to talk about why you should do affiliate marketing, or why you should even consider affiliate marketing as a career. Initially, there are no barriers to entry to get into affiliate marketing. There are no educational requirements or licensing requirements. Anybody can immediately become an affiliate by finding affiliate programs to promote and simply signing up. There's no product creation, there's no manufacturing requirement or risk. The production and development of new products takes a great deal of time and is very expensive. And the product creator has no idea whether the product will be a huge success or a major flop. After all the time, effort, and money spent, the result could simply be a total failure, and all the money spent would yield no return whatsoever. An affiliate has none of this risk. If he promotes a product and doesn't find success with it, he can just go and find another product to promote, and all he's done is spent a little bit of time and perhaps a little bit of money, but the risk is very, very minimal. An affiliate has no customer support issues. The product creator has to deal with customer questions, customer complaints, support issues, and refunds. It's time consuming and it's demanding and expensive work. An affiliate never ever has to deal with the customer if he chooses not to. He may want to create a mailing list, an email list, and stay in contact with his customers, which is probably a good idea. But if he chooses not to, he never has to deal with the customer at all. Affiliates have countless niches to choose from. And as an affiliate, whatever niche you can imagine, there's going to be an affiliate program available for you to join. It can be digital products, physical products, it can be advisory services, financial services, and travel services. There's an affiliate program you can join regardless of whatever your interest is. There's even a program teaching people how to design chicken coops, and it happens to be a very, very high selling program. Some affiliate programs pay a commission of less than $1 just for an email submit or a sign up, and there are high ticket programs with commissions into the thousands of dollars. There's no expertise in a niche required. It helps to be knowledgeable or passionate about a niche, but it's not a requirement. Product creators usually provide material like articles, banners, swipe files, and keyword lists for their affiliates to use whenever they want to promote their products. So the affiliate really doesn't have to have a lot of expertise. And affiliate marketing has the potential to be very, very lucrative. Affiliate marketing can provide a side income, or it can be a supplement to a retirement program, or it can even provide a full-time sustainable income. There are successful affiliates who are earning multiple millions annually from their businesses using very simple marketing methods. Another reason for affiliate marketing is because product creators need affiliates. Product creators must have a platform to sell their products. They can choose to market through advertising, outside salespeople, or retail outlets. But all three of these methods have serious drawbacks. Advertising is very expensive and it may not be effective. Advertising is usually paid for regardless of whether the campaign is successful or not. It's possible to spend a great deal of money and earn nothing in return if the campaign flops. Outside sales personnel have to be trained and supervised constantly, and there also may be geographical limitations. The further away they are, the more difficult it is to supervise them, and they can be very, very expensive. Retail outlets have numerous upfront costs. Space must be leased or purchased, equipment must be obtained, inventory must be supplied, and employees must be hired, all before a single sale is made. In addition, retail outlets all have geographical limitations. A retail outlet can really only sell to customers who are within a circumference of a few miles away, but they don't have a very far geographical reach. Affiliates are a logical solution to the product creator's dilemma. Affiliates don't earn a commission until the sale is made. Product creators don't have to pay them until after they collect the funds from the sale. And if an affiliate makes no sales, it costs the product creator nothing. All the risk is on the affiliate. And finally, there's absolutely no geographical limitations when it comes to affiliates. An affiliate can be on the other side of the world, thousands of miles from the product creator, and he still can make sales and earn money for that product creator. So how does one become a successful affiliate? What are the keys to affiliate success? First, you have to find a niche. Far too often, affiliates try to enter many niches at once. They become the jack of all trades, but the master of none. It's far better to pick one niche and learn all you can about it. Find all the pain points encountered by your audience. What are their biggest challenges? What are their most common problems? And what keeps them awake at night? People go on the internet to search for solutions to their problems. You have to be the one to provide those solutions. The key is to find and supply the answers to these issues. Affiliate marketing, as well as all selling, is simply a matter of supplying solutions to problems. That's it in a nutshell. And if you can do that, you can be successful. Promote a niche with multiple products. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by promoting only a single product from a single product owner. That particular creator may go out of business, or you could have problems getting paid. In addition, multiple products could be offered to your market. If they don't buy one, may buy another, as long as it's within the same niche. Follow trends and seek knowledge. You always have to be working on educating yourself. The internet marketing world is in constant change. What worked yesterday may well be obsolete today, may not work at all. Product tastes change, and marketing methods change all the time. Stay on top of trends in your market and always seek to upgrade your knowledge. Build a strong reputation in your niche. People seek out and respond to those who are recognized as authorities, and the opposite is also true. They will avoid those who come off as not knowledgeable or frauds. Always provide good, valuable, actionable content. Remember, your number one job as an affiliate marketer is to provide solutions to your audience's biggest problems. Residual income is a difference maker. This is very, very important. Seek out affiliate programs with recurring income, such as membership programs or software as a service. Usually there's a monthly fee paid, and you get paid as an affiliate every month as long as your audience remains a customer. And this is true passive income because you work only once to get the customer, but you get paid many times over as long as they remain a customer without you doing anything. Promote products that have upsells. It's far easier to initially sell an inexpensive product and then upgrade the customer to a more expensive upsell than it is to sell an expensive product right off the bat. That's because with the initial inexpensive product, there's a very low barrier of entry. Once they've bought the low price product, they've established themselves as a buyer. It's much easier to get a buyer to again reach for his credit card after he's already done it once before. And don't ever give up. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick business, contrary to what you may have heard. You have to set realistic expectations for yourself because initially you will not be working an hour a day and then sitting on a beach counting your money. It takes time and effort to do your research and set up your marketing properly. Compiling and presenting good, valuable content takes work. Far too many affiliates give up when their initial efforts don't meet with immediate success. It simply doesn't work that way. Set your expectations properly, start your campaigns, and monitor them digitally. Be prepared to make changes when something doesn't work the way you planned. Bumps along the way are inevitable. When you hit one, just make adjustments and move on. There are numerous successful affiliate marketers who have earned millions from their businesses. There are countless others who are making six-figure passive incomes from affiliate marketing. None of them did it by taking shortcuts. It simply doesn't work that way. But know this, with affiliate marketing done the right way, there can be a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If you would like to get a free 4-part training series showing you how to properly build your own successful affiliate marketing business, just click the link in the description below. In the meantime, best of luck to you.